Today we are unboxing the Accutron Spaceview Evolution, reference 26A214. Inside we find the booklet and the 5-year worldwide warranty card. And here it is. The dial immediately stands out. You can see the beautiful swirling forged carbon pattern in deep red and brown tones. The combination of colors gives the dial a very distinctive look. You can also see the turbines on the dial. Inside the watch is the Accutron NS30 electrostatic movement. This advanced movement is powered by twin turbines that generate energy through the motion of your wrist. The energy is stored and used to power the watch. It delivers an accuracy of approximately plus or minus 5 seconds per month. The case is made of stainless steel. On top sits a sapphire crystal for durability and clarity. The case diameter is 43.5 millimeters. The thickness measures 15.9 millimeters. The watch comes on a brown suede strap. The soft leather strap adds a refined and elegant touch. And finally, on the wrist, the watch looks bold and sophisticated. The brown leather strap gives it a very chic appearance. Combined with a unique dial, this is definitely a conversation-starting timepiece.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. If you would like to purchase this watch, use the link down below. Also, don't forget your 20K code for your 10% off.